Thanks, Kurt. Remember, Apttus is the only single vendor to offer the entire suite of quote-to-cash applications 100% natively to the Salesforce platform. Let's take a peek at what that looks like. As you can see here, I'm directly logged into Salesforce as Andrew North, a seller with Tier 1 systems. They sell hardware and software. I'm immediately realizing the value of having my CPQ configure price quote applications natively in Salesforce, as you can see with these dashboards that tell me exactly where I am and where my company is as far as the quotes that are in flight. Of course, as a seller, I'm working with my account, and today we're going to be taking a look at Venture Industries, one of our newer customers. Directly on the account record, I have a full 365-degree view of that customer, and Apttus is giving me full insight into all the contracts that I have with Venture. So I'm seeing my NDA. I'm also seeing contracted pricing that I have. As we go through the configurator, Apttus contract lifecycle automation will make sure we're getting the right prices for those products. Of course, I have my opportunities, and we have one opportunity here with Venture for $60,000, and you can see I already have a proposal in the system, and as I went through quoting with Apttus, it automatically synchronized those products and the prices with the opportunity. Of course, I want to sell more products and services, and my customer is interested in some of our software, our CRM suite. So I'm now on the Apttus quote where I have full view into the entire history of my quote with this customer, and I want to configure products and add some services to this quote. Right now what we're going to see is the Apttus product catalog for Tier 1 systems. You can see they sell hardware, services, and software. I'm going to drill into our sales CRM category. Very easy to navigate this product catalog. I'm going to add that they want 50 licenses of our sales CRM corporate product and add those to the cart. Immediately, configuration rules are going to be run, and in this case, it's saying that I must sell one of our success support services with the addition of that product. Great, I'm happy with that. I know my customer is interested in one of those products. We can quickly see from this screen all the products and services that I have added into the quote. That's the configuration piece. Let's roll over into the pricing. I'm going to update some of these quantities, and I could also apply a discount on the line item or the total now, and I'm going to reprice this quote. As I reprice, we're checking for matrix-based or tiered-based pricing. And remember, we're supporting subscription for our billing. We're supporting standalone products and services, and we're also supporting usage-based pricing as well. Great, I'm happy with this quote. I'm going to go ahead and finalize this configuration. Now you can see we're going to land back on the quote header where we have all of our information around our proposal, and it's very easy for us to generate a customer-facing proposal document. As we generate, we dynamically assemble this document to make sure that we're including all the right customer-facing, product-specific, and marketing materials on this quote. And I can see all my products and services neatly laid out there. Back on my quote header, my customer is happy with the proposal, and I'm going to go ahead and accept this quote. As I accept, we're automatically updating the opportunity record with those products and services that we've added to the proposal. We can see that by drilling back into our opportunity. I can see that the products have been updated, the amount has been updated on my opportunity, and now I'm ready to actually bill this customer. So I'm going to drill into the account record. And by accepting that quote, we've immediately created a series of billing schedules so that we can invoice this customer. And I've also created an order automatically, and that order is activated. On that order, we're showing ARR, MRR, and total contract value as well. Now I'm going to preview invoices to see exactly what my customer is going to be paying over their life cycle. And what we can see is a big spike in revenue at the beginning, the first month of this year. And that's because we have that standard price hardware as well as a standard one-time consulting fee. As we look to the next months, we can see that the subscription is rolling out. One thing that I really like is the ability to filter down the revenue by product. And I'll do that and notice that we're automatically prorating this subscription software at the beginning of our term and at the end of our term. All right, great. Back on our account record, we can see that we've automatically generated an invoice as well. I'm going to go ahead and drill into that invoice, and you can see we have the usage fees, consulting fees, standard price, and the subscription fee for this first month invoice. Of course, just like with the quote, we can easily generate a customer-facing invoice document. Here's an example here. I've got all the line items and all the values associated with those products and services. Back here on our account, we can now see all of the agreements, the Apttus agreements associated with this account. Obviously, our opportunities, our accepted quote or proposal, our orders, and I can see all of the asset lines associated to this customer. So all the products that they own, making it very easy to upgrade, increment, amend, or terminate products and services. So using these Apttus quote-to-cash applications, we were able to configure the right products at the right prices, make sure we had the right terms and conditions from our contracts, and bill our customers with the right payment terms, regardless of the charge types associated with the products. That's the value of having full quote-to-cash, 100% native on the Salesforce platform with Apttus. Thanks for your time.